Good morning, everybody.
Very nice.
Good morning, Inspector sir. First of all, I want to tell you about myself. My name is Abhinav Singh. Basically, I belong to Fakawar and I have done 12 and I am also doing a preparation of UP GATE exam and also for government exams. And in my family, apart from my parents, I have two siblings. One is younger and elder. And my father is a government employer. He is in a railway department, and my mother is a homemaker. And my elder brother is a polymer engineer. And my hobbies are riding bike to adventuring new places and cooking and to do fitness series. And my hobby horse is uh, fitness to do fitness works like gym and now let me tell you about how was my life during lockdown. Firstly, I want to tell you on that time every news channel shows that COVID-19 is very uh, big disease, but in my place everybody says that it's not a virus, it's a joke, like Modi ji does a joke. uh, on that time I was in a before lockdown I was in a Kanpur. On 21st March I saw in news that Modi ji says brothers and sisters, from tonight 12 o'clock the whole India will be closed. Then I think that I have to go to home. I I go to home on 21st March with my clothes, not by my books. After some days, after 5 to 6 days, Modi said that lockdown increases for 1 month. Then I realized that I do what I do because I left my books all over study material like NCERT books, notes, and all of the study material I left from the room, by which I get very scared because I am not able to study over there in lockdown. And you all know that agriculture study material is not provided on online. Any classes, any chapters, they any of the classes is not provided on online on YouTube. So lockdown is bad for me in education because I don't learn anything of study. My from March to July, uh, uh, I don't learn anything. I didn't learn anything. On the contrary, I have many things to do. I did many things in lockdown like a fun. I played with my younger brother and also shows a daily shows like a road show. When police beat someone in a road who were outside from home, like from I saw many things from with my brother from roof, like police beat someone. Many of the people runs away from police, and police go through uh, behind the persons. And I learned many things from this lockdown. Like I learned many only in 10 days because I have no work in lockdown, so I learned many only in 10 days. And I also felt bad in lockdown because my father is a government employee. He is in a railway, and on that time uh, before lockdown he was in a office where he duty, and he came after 2 months. My father is my best friend. I I told him all about me, all about my personal life. But on that day, I felt very uh, nervous, or because I can't tell him anything by face to face. Um, but I learned many things, our honorable prime ministers took decisions on time, our father took decision for our family, because our prime minister Modi ji takes every times takes every decision on time, and we have to learn from from this lockdown. We have to give more time to our family, because my younger brother is very scared every time to me. But in lockdown, he told me many of the problems of his, and he now in days he told me all about him, like jokes. He did jokes to me, and he tells all about his personal life. And I also visit during lockdown. I visit many countries.
Many
Countries like Australia, Brazil, China, and many other countries. Only in mobile, and I do many. I did many bike riding in lockdown. Only in motovlog, not in real. And that's my life in lockdown.